Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your Android. So at first, go to your mobile settings and then swipe down until you see the option privacy and tap on it. Tap on app lock. Now select the app you want to hide. So I'm selecting Facebook. Tap on app lock. Guys, as you can see, the option hide from home screen and tap on it. Now go back, and as you can see, my Facebook apps now hide. And now if you want to go to Facebook, then go to your dial and enter the password that you provided, and that's how you can find your hidden apps here. And that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.